King to realize your exact interpretation, your full evaluation, to take care of the village. When your job is never finished, to be like the king, the father, to take over, to show your exposure to the deep within. So how do you begin? In the words of the translate, make sure that you become educated. What does it take to be a king? You're a ruler, doing what you need to do, getting your point through. You see, you open up the doors to you and yours. Yes, the father, the husband, coming back home, right into a particular zone. See, another place is never left alone. What does it take to be a king? To rise to the occasion, to rise to everything that you had to rise to represent, to be the intelligent. Anything else would be irrelevant. And what does it take to be a king? Always take to be a king when you're on cruise control, down deep into your soul, where you take full responsibility that your life is honorable, that you're so powerful. You're deep, your source. You rule with the force. Stay on course. Stay. What can you imagine? Passion to make it happen. To stay so real. So what does it take to be a king? Take to be a king, to be alive, to survive. In this way, I will always say, what does it take to be a king? In drive.